people.
It is a good morning.
It is.
Cardio's done, as we're doing more cardio right now.
Walking the mutt. It's like 7:30. We're getting ready to go to the gym. We're going to lift some shoulders and then head over to the cities to go to a cafe that someone's been telling Chris about for
Uptown
weeks now.
Uptown Diner, something like
Uptowner.
that. Something. All I know is that they said
Oh, I nerd.
pancakes. All I know.
Yeah, you can pretty much get Chris to go anywhere if you say there's going to be pancakes there. But yeah, we'll bring you guys with. We're getting Glamdol. Pre-ordered those yesterday, Glamdol donuts. I don't think I've ever had them.
We only got a few.
You have either.
Dozen.
Only a dozen for, you know, that's needed after shoulder day. So we went out to eat last night, just at a place downtown Hudson, and it was not good. No bueno. We were very let down.
Food was no good.
Yeah. I mean, it was fine, but it wasn't like, oh my gosh, I can't wait to go back there. I probably will not be going back there.
Hudson usually has amazing food.
Yeah.
This is kind of a newer place.
Yeah.
Thought we'd give it a shot.
So.
Definitely won't go back, but
No.
now we make it up. Today, we'll have 2-3 meals in before noon, 2 workouts in before noon.
Yeah.
Definitely gonna need a nap.
Yeah. We got up at 3:30 for cardio and attempted to take a nap before we got up and ate at 6:30, and it just did not. I didn't fall asleep. I was thinking too much about what I was gonna have for breakfast.
Yes.
But all right, we'll catch you guys after the gym. Finish shoulders. Let's change. Let's go eat some food. Let's eat.
You ready for some pancakes?
No, donuts.
Oh, donuts.
You know.
Donuts trump over the pancakes? What about a waffle?
I want the Boston.
Boston cream donut. Alright, so we're headed to this Uptowner in St. Paul. Pancake time. We'll see what kind of food we can muster up. And in case we're hungry after, there's Domino's right next door, conveniently. just left Uptown Diner in St. Paul.
Yes.
These were the best pancakes I've ever had.
Yeah.
You guys, anybody that's watched the channel, seen I rant and rave about the Keys Cafe gluten-free pancakes. These were better.
Those words did come out of his mouth. He said, I think I like these better than Keys.
We had banana, chocolate chip, blueberry.
Yeah.
They were just the best pancakes. I was talking with the cook, and I'm like, my hat's off to you, man. We do food reviews, and you got an A+.
Yeah, they were like moist, they weren't dry, they were thin. That's the key with pancakes. They have to be thin. They get thick, they get dry and spongy and not good.
It's like you're chewing on a loaf of bread.
Yeah.
So
and the hash browns were amazing.
Yes.
Omelet was it was so good. All 10 out of 10. So good.
She had chicken tenders, as you could see. I don't know
And
where that.
fries.
And fries. Don't know where that came from, but Uptown
Not
Diner
much.
in St. Paul. Highly recommend it. This place was awesome.
Yes, Tony and Monica, thanks for the recommendation.
Yeah, it was very good.
Very
So
good.
we are now going to pick up our
Donut.
Glam Doll
Glam
donuts.
Doll.
So next video you see will be donuts.
Grabbing them. We're back with donuts.
And coffee.
Yes. We got 12, but some are duplicates, so we only brought out one of each. And I think we know what they all are.
Yeah, this time.
This
Maybe.
time.
Last donut review, we didn't quite know what the heck we were getting ourselves into, but it made for really good videos. So
What do you have?
Boston cream.
Boston cream. I think this was like a blueberry crumb filled with like vanilla bean or something. This was a bourbon fritter, which I think we're gonna start with because they didn't have an apple fritter, so we're trying it. We've not liked things that have alcohol in it, so we'll see how we like that. Maple bacon, cookie dough, puppy chow, cookies and cream, another Boston, salted caramel, and I believe cherry cheesecake, which is
yeah.
interesting.
I feel like the one I'm the most excited for by far is this blueberry. Ooh, she warmed them up, so they're very ready to go.
They're ready to eat.
The blueberry vanilla
From-
bean or whatever, if that is legit, vanilla bean pudding could be outstanding. Blakely's just gonna go to town on it.
Yeah.
Go for it.
It's big, but it's like really light.
Looks like a loaf of bread.
It's dry.
This one's a little weird. It looks dry.
It is dry.
Not an apple fritter. This is like a loaf of bread. Does it feel like a fritter to you?
It just tastes like a cinnamon roll.
Yeah. There we go. That's how we started that off.
Right.
Let's go with this guy. This is the blueberry vanilla bean something. What's in the middle of that is what's in the middle of toaster strudels. That is like a cereal one. That tastes like a toaster strudel. Holy cow. Look at that. That's Saturday night. That's very sweet.
I didn't feel like I got blueberry.
That was a thumbs up.
Puppy chow.
Oh, come here. Come here. This is awesome.
Puppy chow. Cutting in half. Yeah.
That's sour. The pudding is sour. That's not what it's supposed to taste. She said she
Salted
didn't like it.
caramel. I think so.
No.
Ow, bit my lip.
I don't feel like it. Caramel?
Neither.
Where did the caramel go? This raspberry. Is this raspberry or cherry?
Cherry cheesecake. Yeah.
It's a mess.
I don't even know if it is some sort of crumb. No. tastes like lemon.
That was the worst.
This better not do this wrong.
Holy crap, we are striking out every time that we go and
I'm
get
about to
these.
just eat the same donuts every week.
Yes, every time we get these high-end donuts, they are always a complete letdown.
This was $40.
Oh, excuse me. I can't realistically say that any of these donuts are good.
They're not that.
Yes. This is gonna be good. This is amazing.
Has to be. Has to be. I almost feel like the bacon is maple bacon. In the frosting, I don't really taste.
There you go. Let's go with the cookie dough one, just in case. Just in case this one lets us down. We can.
I just don't think it will because it claims to be cookie dough and actually has a ice cream scoop size.
That's a raw piece of
cookie dough.
Cookie dough right on there.
How it should be. I wish it wasn't chocolate frosting on it.
Yeah.
It was just a cookie dough ball and just like a plain, maybe just like drizzled chocolate.
It's so funny, all the stuff that I think in my head, she just says it out loud. I'm sweating.
I'm sweating.
Oreo?
I mean, you cannot screw this up. The white frosting tastes like the inside of an Oreo, right?
Yeah, the double stuffed Oreo.
Mm-hmm.
And we have 2 more donuts.
When I go back here, probably not.
I think that one was the best. That's my favorite. Those are cookies and cream.
Yeah,
Oreo.
and the cookie dough.
I like that blueberry, whatever was in the middle of that, vanilla bean or something, whatever's supposed to be in there.
Yeah. Oh, look.
You could see bits and pieces of the war all over the pan. They were very odd. Yeah, I don't know, not a fan.
Not worth driving 45 minutes and we can drive 4 minutes that way.
We planned like 4 days in advance. We pre-ordered these, got everything set up. I'll tell you, the box is very nice. It's very pretty, but
The donuts.
I don't know. The donuts were just not up to par. Whatever, you gotta look up whatever that flavor was because that was.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're kind of winging today with the food. So there could be a couple little stops, could be another restaurant stop. We're gonna see what's going on. Again, it's
1
like
o'clock.
yeah, it's 2 o'clock. We've had 3 meals, trained twice, took an hour nap. So this is what's consuming our Saturday.
Yeah, I'm not mad about it.
We'll see where we're gonna end up next. All right, so I am here editing a video that I'm about to post today. And this is kind of, this was the video we did earlier in the week, which was just a day in the life of what we normally eat. And I am actually on meal 3 or 4, I'm not even sure. So keeping this one clean, I've got chicken, rice, banana, peppers, and asparagus. Carbs are high, protein's a little bit lower. We're figuring out exactly what we want to do for our next meal. Probably going out, burger and fries.
I'm holding it, we're having Chinese.
She carries that dog around all day just like that. Just kidding.
It's definitely not true.
But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna eat right now. I'm not sure what Jen's gonna make. And then we're gonna kind of ponder where we're gonna go for a burger and fries. We might try a new place, we don't know. We just were kind of disappointed in those donuts that we just got done reviewing. So I know we're gonna wanna go somewhere and actually have a good meal because we did go out and have a burger yesterday. And again, it was very sad performance. That's the hardest part is when you try new places, you might get disappointed. So we threw a little curveball to ourselves because we didn't have a set plan, and we got in the truck and we headed towards Portillo's. Never had Portillo's before, so this is actually our appetizer because we're sitting in the parking lot at a restaurant that we're actually gonna go out to eat. So we did Portillo's as an appetizer, then we're gonna go hit up the tap room in Woodbury for a burger and fries. Jen will show you exactly what we got here.
Here. We give you a wiener.
It's like a chili cheese wiener.
Oh yeah. So we did a chili cheese dog.
Show this sucker.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, she's messy.
Oof. We'll just do one at a time. Chili cheese dog.
There she is, sloppy as ever. It's looks like a sesame seed bun, onions, chili, cheese.
Heartburn,
You're going
diarrhea.
you're going with the first bite because this
Okay.
is, it's probably gonna be really good. Chili cheese dog. Just hold her. I'll get to her. Bring her up.
Oh my god.
That's a good prank.
It's good.
Man. Little Caesars.
Yeah.
That's good. Onions in there. A+ on the onions. Man, there's a lot of people out there that don't like onions.
A lot.
I love them. Any way you do them. Raw, I love them. Caramelized, you know, skillet fried or whatever. Had them this morning in an omelet. They are just good. Onions are good. That is a
That's really good.
pretty good dog there. Why, it doesn't look good? You looked at it? Come on, people. Dang it.
I know.
Oh my god. Just, this guy is little.
It looks like seasoned or marinated very well.
That's good.
You like?
That's good. I just love croissants.
Chicken quality is there.
Mm-hmm.
Is the croissant quality there?
Yeah, well, it's pretty good.
Ooh. Mm-hmm.
It's cooked very
Wow.
well. I better not talk with my mouth full. We've got people that comment ripping on me because I talk with my mouth
It
full.
almost tastes like peanut butter a little bit to me. Something's wrong with me. I haven't eaten since the donuts at 2.
That was a good chicken sandwich. Last chicken sandwich that I tried was the little KFC ones. They were deep fried little chicken sliders.
Oh, yeah.
Cheap, real black, whatever. The
Get what you pay for.
The Popeyes chicken sandwich though, the review we did on that was awesome. I've never had Portillo's before.
Okay, what is this? Chicago dog.
Chicago dog. Go ahead.
Which is?
I have no clue.
Tomato, pickle, hot peppers, onions, mustard, relish, I think.
I think you nailed it.
I've never had a hot dog like this.
No.
See them all the time.
She laughed at me because we asked her what was good on the menu. And she goes, the Chicago style dog or whatever. I was like, what's that? And she goes, you've never had a Chicago style hot dog? I'm like, nope, sorry. Yeah.
Okay.
Just
There's
let her,
just a lot going on
let her
here.
go.
There's a lot going on.
Chili cheese dog, hot dog was better.
It's good. I like the chili one better.
All right, guys, that was awesome. I would definitely go back there. That was awesome. And that was just spontaneous. I said, get in the truck, let's go. We're gonna find somewhere, or we just headed.
Yeah, he wouldn't tell me. I was like, where are we going?
We're going places that we've never gone, and we're gonna go try them because that's what makes this channel fun and interesting. And like I said, we're sitting in the parking lot of the Tap Room in Woodbury, and we're gonna go in there, try some waffle fries, sweet potato fries. We have been here before. I wanna say it was like 2 years ago. Though. It was a long time ago. Service was phenomenal. Burger was awesome. I'm trying not to jinx ourselves right now, but last night's burger was such an epic fail. We're trying to redeem ourselves.
Yeah.
We've got cookies that we're gonna review. Pretty sure I already did tell her we're gonna go get frozen yogurt probably after this. So the night has just begun. It is 6:15. What's up, everybody? We are now eating Yogurt Lab. We just got done eating Tap Room, and it might have been one of the best burgers I've ever had.
It was so good.
It was amazing. I got peanut butter and jelly on my burger. Lots of people out there think that's disgusting.
I got their sunrise burger, but I didn't get hash browns, so it was egg, peanut butter, jelly, bacon. I think, yeah. In the brioche bun.
The place was awesome. Service was amazing. Highly recommend going there too. Tap Room in Woodbury. So you can see a little bit of customization on the frozen yogurt. I've got animal crackers. I've got some Heath. I've got vanilla wafer and a little bit of cinnamon toast crunch in some salted caramel and cheesecake. You catch all that? All in one cup. What did you get there, little missy?
I got cheesecake, cookie dough, and Heath. Kept her simple. We're also gonna try these OCD cookies. We're gonna try this cookie butter one, or this one's called Two-Face. It's half brownie, half just regular cookie, chocolate chip cookie.
Best part of going there, spoons. Add to my spoon collection. I love plastic little spoons.
Because you need more of those, you have 700. What kind?
This one.
This one.
Oh.
Right. This is the company. Our friend Steph ordered these and has sent me various videos
Sound like you can't even breathe
about
talking.
how about how good they are. And I forgot that these were in my freezer, so we're gonna try this one. It is a cookie butter base cookie with, I think, chocolate chips, and I think it's stuffed with cookie butter.
Wow, it looks thick.
This is gonna make a mess.
Holy moly.
I don't even know what to do with this. Oh. Oh, shit.
One cavity, two cavities, three cavities.
That is like eating.
That's like raw cookie dough. What is the...
It's that.
Holy moly. It's like a mud puddle in my mouth. I can't show that on camera.
Wow. Okay. That was very good.
They're really good, but have a gallon and a half of milk ready.
Oh, with the Kit Kat.
Holy crap. That was like the most sugar I've ever bit in one time. So we technically have two different types of hot dogs, a chicken sandwich, two different types of French fries, two burgers, 6 different types of candy toppings in frozen yogurt, and that cookie sitting inside the pit. Oh, it's gonna be a rough night.
It's gonna be bad. It's not gonna be good.
12 seconds later.
Alright, so here we are. If we weren't miserably full on all the other shit that you've seen us eating. We got apple Kit Kat. We've been wanting to try it. Seen it for probably about a month now.
Yes.
I'm so sorry I farted. It's gonna be so bad. Taste test. Taste test. Yes, you seen what we eat. Oh.
Oh, it smells. What does it smell like? Count of 3.
Candle.
Oh.
Ready?
It's 1, 2, 3. The caramel apple suckers. Here's what it looks like.
Kit Kats always look so good.
It just looks like white chocolate. They do. They do. Oh. So I just found this in the hole of no return.
Under the seat
in his truck. We literally were looking everywhere for probably the last 20 minutes and could not find it. No.
I get what you're.
You see what I mean with that sucker? You're picking up and putting down?
A candle sucker. Ready?
Yeah.
Tastes better than a candle.
At first it's really green apple-y, but then you hit the wafer.
I like it.
And it actually
I
does
like
taste like apple pie.
I like that. That's good.
That's really good.
Better than the stupid apple fritter we had.
Yeah. Just looks like your basic Kit Kat inside.
Yeah,
But-
I like that a lot better than the apple fritter we had today.
Yeah.
The apple loaf of bread. This is really good.
That is so
I
good.
think this is really good.
Uh-huh. Okay. Guess
Awesome.
they're at Walmart, so recommend.
Yeah, very good.
Alright guys, we're editing the video and he realized we didn't do an outro. So, the last thing you saw us eat last night, because it is the next day, was that apple pie Kit Kat. He ate another meal. Just putting chicken on the grill right now. He ate a normal meal, healthy meal, and then we went to bed. We didn't eat anything else fun, but we hit a chest workout this morning and we're back on our normal healthy grind.
Yeah, that food was awesome last night.
Very good.
Everything from the beginning. Those pancakes at Uptown Diner in St. Paul.
He's been talking about them all day today.
Hands down my favorite
Yeah.
favorite pancake place I've ever been to.
Yeah,
Yeah, it was a great weekend.
it was. Donuts were the biggest letdown, but everything else was very good.
Yeah, I'm more into these gas station donuts and these Hy-Vee donuts. So much better than these $45 donuts that we keep buying.
Yeah.
Krispy Kremes was a letdown. Mojo was a letdown. I know there's people that probably love those donuts. They just, I don't know. They looked really
Yeah.
pretty, and they were garbage. I don't know. They didn't have
Yeah.
good flavor, but
No.
overall it was a good weekend. Really
Yeah.
fun. Portillo's was fun. The burger was amazing at Tap Room.
Yes.
We already started game planning for next week's cheat meal. We're gonna do a really big cupcake thing. I guess you guys will see comes something kind of
Yeah.
close to what that'll be.
A cupcake off.
We'll do a little teaser video later this week about what that's gonna be. Blakely's really gonna enjoy that too. She's gonna have fun with that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then customizing where we're gonna go next weekend. So
Yeah, let the games begin. But
Yeah.
like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, Facebook.
yeah.
And
Running.
yeah, we'll see you guys next week. Have a good week.